Sekaten, from term Syahadattain in Arabic, is annual event which is held on Mulud, the month of Nabi Muhammad's birth. It is held in Alun-Alun Utara, the hall in front of Keraton Yogyakarta. In Sekaten, besides being able to look for foods and such, we can also find so many entertainment there. Talking about the icon, one of the most renowned icons of Sekaten is Kapal Othok-othok. Kapal Othok-othok is a ship toy made of metal plate and powered by cooking oil that was lit by fire, so it can move on the water surface. The word othok-othok comes from the sound the ship makes when it moves on the water surface.
Sudah jualan di sini sejak tahun berapa, Pak? Oh, Pak. Pak, sekarang penjualnya kapal othok-othok ini sudah sama dulu kok. Jumlahnya semakin berkurang ya, Pak ya? Berarti dulu nggak cuma 1-2 ya, Pak, di sini ya, Pak?
Usually, it comes in two sizes, small and big. The price for a ship usually between 10,000 until 20,000 rupiah. However, Kapal Othok-othok might be facing its extinction in this era. Being seen as the icon of Sekaten, it is getting more difficult to find kiosks that sells this toy even during the Sekaten itself. Harry, another Kapal Othok-othok seller, also admitted that nowadays it is getting harder to sell Kapal Othok-othok compared to the past, and he has to struggle to make a living. To operate Kapal Othok-othok, we need to fill in the ship toy with water. Take a cotton slab and drop oil onto it, then light it with fire. And finally, put the slab into the ship. The boiled water will produce the sound othok-othok. Our group has conducted an observation and we only found 3 kiosks that sell Kapal Othok-othok. As we have heard, the main reason why Kapal Othok-othok is facing extinction is because the lack of interest towards this toy. Nowadays, kids don't seem to find this toy amusing anymore. Compared to the entertainment, they can access through other media such as mobile phone and PC. Although Kapal Othok-othok may be facing its extinction, we cannot take its title as an icon of Sekaten. Let's preserve Kapal Othok-othok because preserving Kapal Othok-othok means that we are preserving our culture.